Hey everyone, it's Aarti here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to discuss about something that I have been obsessed over past few weeks. Yeah, that is MyGlamm stick foundation. I tried so many foundation in past from liquid to powder, but this one is my personal favorite. Let's see why.
First of all, look at the packaging. This foundation comes in a sleek, travel-friendly tube, which is a plus point for busy bees like us. So the packaging is so nice, just twist it up and you are good to go. Now on to the application. The formula feels super creamy and smooth and it glides like a butter. Honestly, I feel like a dream. I have used brush, sponges, and even with my fingers, and always it blends so nicely.
But let me clear one thing. Some people says about stick foundation that they are a bit cakey or heavy onto the skin, but in my case with this MyGlamm stick foundation, I didn't feel that. It gives me a nice natural finish that is buildable. You can totally layer it if you need more coverage, but in my case, my day-to-day look, a single swipe is enough. Now let's talk about the shades. इसके अंदर आपको 10 shades मिल जाएंगे from lighter to darker one that is perfect for every Indian skin tone. And मेरा shade है इसमें golden honey which is just perfect for my skin. And one more important thing, my sensitive skin did not freak out after using this foundation. But if you are like me and had foundation breakouts before, then I can confidently say this one is best for you. No irritation, just beautiful skin. So everything is fine, but you know me, I'm all keeping it real. The only thing that I didn't find that it can settle into you fine lines a little bit, but this is barely visible unless you are super close. Otherwise, a little bit of moisturizer and setting spray and you're good to go. So would I recommend this MyGlamm Stick Foundation? Of course, yes. It's all about the versatility, easy to use, and the finish. So I'm giving it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Try this one and maybe इसको use करने के बाद आपकी एक अच्छे budget friendly foundation के research खत्म हो जाए. So that's it for the today. Until next one, keep growing, keep glowing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.